Welcome everyone. If you've ever struggled with deploying applications efficiently, Docker and Ansible are here to save the day. This training will take you from the basics to advanced automation skills. By the end, you'll be handling containers like a pro and managing configurations like a wizard. Buckle up because this ride is going to be fun, and yes, there will be code. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's start with the basics. Docker helps us package applications into containers, and Ansible makes managing infrastructure a breeze. Think of Docker as your lunchbox. It neatly packs your meal. Ansible, it's the chef who makes sure every lunchbox has exactly what it needs. Together, they simplify deployment and configuration management, making your life easier. No more manual installations or headaches. Imagine running multiple applications without worrying about dependencies. Welcome to containerization. Unlike bulky virtual machines, containers are lightweight, fast, and portable. Think of them as small, self-sufficient apartments instead of sprawling villas. Docker takes this concept and makes it insanely efficient, ensuring consistency across different environments. No more "it works on my machine" excuses. Docker's architecture is like a well-oiled machine. The Docker client talks to the Docker daemon, which manages images and containers. The registry stores images, and Docker Compose helps manage multi-container applications. Think of the client as the captain, the daemon as the crew, images as the blueprint, and containers as the ships. Together, they sail smoothly across the DevOps ocean. Ansible playbooks are like recipe books. If you've ever burned toast, you know the value of clear instructions. Roles help keep things neat, breaking tasks into reusable parts so automation doesn't turn into a tangled mess. YAML makes configuration a breeze, and using roles ensures your automation scales up smoothly without turning into spaghetti code. Think of Ansible as your super efficient intern, except it never complains. It sets up infrastructure smoothly with idempotency, meaning tasks run reliably even if repeated. No agent installation is needed. It's all done via SSH. And because Ansible uses declarative syntax, there are no surprises. It does exactly what you tell it to, unlike some coworkers we know. Ansible and Docker together. That's like peanut butter and jelly, deliciously efficient. Ansible takes care of creating, configuring, and managing containers while playbooks handle automation. Scaling up, no problem. Orchestration becomes effortless, and multi-container environments don't turn into chaos. Just sit back and watch your infrastructure deploy itself like magic. Best practices save you from future headaches. Keep playbooks in version control, because undo buttons are lifesavers. Modular design makes life easier, so don't bundle everything into one giant mess. Caching speeds up tasks, which means less waiting and more doing. And security. Well, let's just say an unsecured workflow is an open invitation to disaster. Enough theory, time to get our hands dirty. We'll create playbooks step by step, deploy a web server like pros, and manage Docker containers with ease. Of course, things might break, they always do, but that's where troubleshooting comes in. By the end, you'll be ready to automate like a seasoned DevOps wizard. We've covered a lot: automation, containers, troubleshooting, and best practices. Now, it's time to take what you've learned and apply it in real-world scenarios. Want to dive deeper? There's always more to explore. And don't forget to join the Ansible community. It's where the real magic happens. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.